Um, looks pretty clear it's going to go up from here at this point in time. We had the break below this. I mean, if the triangle went to there, then we did get this partial retest, strong buying response. Still looks like an ABC down to here, and an ABC up to here. So the potential for another sell-off does remain, but there's no real sign of it at the moment. So the trend is clearly up on the Dow, I would say. Right, turning to the DAX, we've now retested this trend line here and broken through it slightly. So again, this could be a more positive move. I mean, it's clearly an A wave, B wave, and it could be a truncated C wave. But at the moment, the negatives, well, it's still in there. So we've got the shorter term action. Right, well, the danger point is where A equals C. So that is A, if you like, from 11,860 odd up to 12,140. So about 280 points if my maths is correct. So 280 points onto 12,060 is about 340. So the danger sign for this rally is there, at which point A will roughly equal C. Do check the maths, please. Wave pattern, well, that could be a 1, 2. This could be a 3. So perhaps we're going to see a 4 and a 5 to complete that. That would make some kind of sense. It's the 20th today, so tomorrow's 21st, which is the expiry date. At the time, quite well, I suppose, with a peak plus or minus 2 days into early next week. So I'd watch out for that. But at the moment, again, looking like it's going to be a bit higher. Right, looking at gold, still got this 5-wave advance to there. Wave 1, wave 2, 1 of 3, and now we're going sideways. So we need some confirmation that this is actually a third coming in, but no sign of that at the moment. Right, Bitcoin, there is a slight positive here. If that is an A, and that could be a B, and that could be a C for a flat correction with a fairly decent buying response coming in here. So that it continues and takes out the high here. Then we could see a new impulsive move coming in, which would of course be a positive. Managed to be seeing that works out that way, but at the moment that is it's a glimmer of hope. I still think there's a fair chance we're going to break below the lows around 5.8, but it may be that that view might change if this can build a head of steam at the moment. There's quite a lot of negativity around at the moment, I think. In fact, most of the articles I read seem to have some kind of negative bias one way or the other. Market crashes, led pressed by Tether disintegrating. Just generally a sort of an aura of negativity, which is of course exactly when you expect to see buyers start to come in, and the trend to change the negativity into the massive positiveness we see at the peak. So there is also that sentiment issue, which does have a bearing on this market. So another fairly brief report. I mean, markets are not doing us too well this year, really, one way or the other. I mean, the DAX has been going sort of sideways pretty much the entire year. So same with the Dow, really. Gold, of course, fallen sharply, is now trying to rally, but hasn't yet shown its hand totally. And Bitcoin, rather, again, fallen heavily throughout the year with some small glimmer of hope now. Anyway, I'll speak again on the weekend. Have a great day. Thanks for listening, and bye for now.